Hello, it's Toby Otokiti, the founder of Product Dive. We are live at our first product management conference in the UK, tagged Beyond Boundaries, with a mission to empower individuals, including Africans, to thrive and succeed in the UK tech industry, specifically the product management industry. Are you ready? Let's go!
Ladies and gentlemen, please help me welcome Toby.
Hi, I'm Paige Adedeji. I'm a product director at the Financial Times. A lot of product managers actually come from non-tech backgrounds, and what Product Dive does is it helps to bring the value that can be brought from a non-tech background and matching that with the opportunity that is available in tech.
My name is Nosa Oyegun. I am the Vice President of Product Innovation and Strategy at Kuda. I think Product Dive is a very, very good platform for not just people who want to transition to product, but for people in product already. Communities at Product Dive help you manufacture your love and networking with other people, meeting other product managers, sharing experiences. It's a good way to get into the market. It's a good way to understand the space, understand the function. And it's a good way to just meet people.
So my name is Olatunji Fagbore, and I'm a product manager. My advice would really be the first step, I would say, just like I did for mine, would be to register with Product Dive to get your career started, because the training is very enlightening. You also network with great individuals, and from there you can build your career from the foundation to the growth phase.